Hello from Kelly Hicks Construction today, where we're filming park model trailers. This is one of my favorite trailers. I've got 3 of them. It's a Summit 355FL. A Summit 355FL. This is unit number 5692. It's gray with white trim and white lineals. Since it's raining, I'm not going to look at the outside too much. I'm just going to head right on in. This is a park model certified by the RV Industry Association. That's why I always call them tiny house on steroids, because they have so much more going on than a tiny house. There's the fireplace, place for the entertainment center. You can mount your TV there. Got some LED lights up front. End table and the lamp, rocker recliner, sleeper sofa, table and 4 chairs, and you definitely have storage underneath your chairs. Great big kitchen. There's also storage under the steps. Right there is storage. Full extension ball bearing drawer guides on all the drawers. That means you have access to the entire drawer. You've got some overhead cabinets. You've got a hall pantry, more overhead, lowers. A lot of drawers there. You got 6 drawers. If you can't fit your silverware in 6 drawers, I don't know. Anyhow, there's a stainless steel sink, 2 basins with a single lever faucet. Over here you've got a 30-inch 5-burner range, 30-inch microwave, 18.5 cubic foot fridge, master bedroom in the back. It's a walk-around queen. There is no carpeting except in the stairs in the loft. As you can see, it's got square PVC flooring in here. Looks like ceramic tile. There's lights in the closets. Closet rods, drawers. You've got 8 drawers in here. And again, load them up. They're all full extension ball bearing drawer guides. Got a slider door. This walk around queen could easily be replaced with the king. The bed will fit either way, although this way it faces the wardrobe. His and hers. Or as I like to refer to them, hers and hers. His on the left, hers on the right, or hers on both. Okay, here's that pantry in the hallway I was telling you about. Let's get that on the way back through. See all the shelving in it. Got the pantry. Floor to ceiling pantry. That's it. In addition to the rest of the overhead cabinets. So let's check out the bathroom. It's a nice bathroom. It's got a window, 1-piece fiberglass tub surround. So you can take a shower or you can take a bath. Here's the medicine cabinet. Got shelves in there, nice medicine cabinet. Vanity. Got some storage under it. So heading back out, that's our down and dirty, quick little tour of the Summit 355FL. Why do I like this trailer so much? I got 3 of them because they retail for $49.9. That's all I have to get for them. $49.9 and everybody's happy. So this is the 2020 Summit 355FL with the loft. And we best go look at the loft or this video wouldn't be complete. So the loft takes up half the trailer. It's just a basic loft. Carpeting. You've got an auxiliary air conditioner. You've got a TV jack right over there. Nice big loft. Just about half the trailer. So anyhow, if you're looking for an inexpensive loft that sleeps a lot of people, has a place for kids to play, This is it. $49.9 and you're all set. 30-inch range, 30-inch microwave, stainless steel dual basin sink, table and 4 chairs. Everything in it stays in it. Nightstand and lamp, end table and lamp, fireplace, ceiling fan, 2020 Quail Ridge, 355FL. If you got any questions, call Kelly at 815-849-9089. There's the view of the trailer. Up, down, all around. Raise you up so you can see the loft. I can't see, but that looks like it. Anyhow, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed my video. There's lots more where that came from. Have a great day.